In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a countdown timer to your Instagram story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on the option Your Story given at the top left. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture or the video that you want to upload in your story. Once you select it, you can edit it. At the top, you're gonna find different option. Once you do that, click on the sticker kind of option. Now here, you're gonna find the option of countdown. Click on that. You're gonna give it a name. Then select the date and time. Now click on done and click on your story. So this is how you can easily add a countdown timer on Instagram story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.